Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mont Royal, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire a cheap Mont Royal moving company, 3 Movers is the right choice for you. Not only do we offer affordable rates, but we also offer the best services for your needs. We specialize in local and long-distance moving services, but also offer many other services to choose from. With our help, you can easily move your home, business, equipment, furniture, or anything else. We make your long-distance move easier by offering the right options, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You don't have to handle your relocation on your own. With our long-distance moving services, you can move 100 miles away or further with ease. We take the stress out of the relocating and we get you there sooner. A Canada moving company can transform your local move for you. It's a lot of work to move, even if you're just going a few miles away. With the right local movers, you won't have to worry about all that work. 3 Movers offers the best choices for your local move. We know how to streamline the entire process to save you time and energy. When you hire us, you can focus on other things while we move your things. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mont Royal moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.